Now here is an error you might face occasionally. You might have not faced it yet, but maybe you did. Trying to access favorite review on the session can fail. Trying to access any session data can fail if it wasn't set before. So if we load this site without any session set, and that will typically be the case if we visit it for the first time, we would be greeted by this error. Because we would try to get the favorite review out of the session, even though this key doesn't exist yet because we never did set a favorite. That's why the safer way to access data if you're not sure that it has been set before is to use the get method. So request session get is a safer way of accessing session data, because this will not throw an error if favorite review doesn't exist yet. So that's how we should change get context data. And with that, you should not face this error even if you had no session data set before.